Levent, nice jacket.
Thank you. And you're wearing a beautiful dress.
Thanks. Perfect timing because today's lesson is about clothes.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to English with Jennifer and Levent.
Today, we're learning about clothing.
Shirts, pants, shoes, and more.
This is very useful for shopping and daily life. But before we start, everyone please remember to subscribe to our channel.
Yes. And click the like button, and please share our podcast with your friends and family. It helps us a lot.
It really does. Okay, so, Levent, are you ready?
Clothing item number 1. Shirt.
A shirt is what you wear on your upper body.
Now you say it. Shirt.
I'm wearing a blue shirt today.
Clothing item number 2. T-shirt.
A t-shirt is a casual shirt with short sleeves.
Now you say it. T-shirt.
T-shirts are comfortable and popular.
Clothing item number 3. Jacket.
A jacket is outer clothing. You wear it over your shirt.
Now you say it. Jacket.
Jackets keep you warm.
Clothing item number 4. Sweater.
A sweater is warm clothing for cold weather.
Now you say it. Sweater.
I wear sweaters in winter.
Clothing item number 5. Dress. A dress is one piece of clothing for women.
Now you say it. Dress.
Jennifer is wearing a red dress today.
Clothing item number 6. Pants or trousers.
Pants cover your legs. In British English, we say trousers.
Now you say it. Pants.
I wear pants to work.
Clothing item number 7. Jeans.
Jeans are blue pants made from denim. Very casual.
Now you say it. Jeans.
Jeans are comfortable and strong.
Clothing item number 8. Skirt.
A skirt is clothing for women that covers from waist to legs.
You say it. Skirt.
Skirts can be long or short.
Clothing item number 9. Shoes.
Shoes protect your feet.
You say it. Shoes.
I'm wearing black shoes today.
Clothing item number 10. Socks.
Socks go on your feet inside your shoes.
You say it. Socks.
Always wear clean socks. Now some accessories.
Hat. You wear it on your head.
Now you say it. Hat.
Scarf. You wear it around your neck.
Now you say it. Scarf.
Gloves. You wear them on your hands.
Now you say it. Gloves. To say what you have on, use I'm wearing.
For example, I'm wearing a blue shirt.
I'm wearing a red dress.
I'm wearing black shoes.
Now you say it. I'm wearing.
To ask, say, what are you wearing?
Now you say it. What are you wearing?
Jennifer, what are you wearing today?
I'm wearing a red dress and black shoes. What about you?
I'm wearing a blue shirt, black pants, and brown shoes. Let's practice some conversations. Conversation 1.
What should I wear today?
It's cold outside. Wear a jacket.
Good idea. And jeans?
Yes, jeans are good.
Thank you.
Let's repeat that again.
What should I wear today?
It's cold outside. Wear a jacket.
Good idea. And jeans?
Yes, jeans are good.
Thank you.
Conversation 2.
I need new shoes.
What color do you want?
Black or brown shoes?
Let's go to the shoe store.
Okay.
Let's repeat that again.
I need new shoes.
What color do you want?
Black or brown shoes?
Let's go to the shoe store.
Okay.
Conversation 3. I like your jacket.
Thanks. It's new.
What color is it?
It's dark blue.
It looks very nice.
Thanks.
Let's repeat that again. I like your jacket.
Thanks. It's new.
What color is it?
It's dark blue.
It looks very nice.
Thanks.
Practice 2.
I'm wearing blue blank on my legs.
I'm wearing blue pants or jeans. She's wearing a beautiful blank, one piece for women.
She's wearing a beautiful dress.
He's wearing brown blank on his feet.
He's wearing brown shoes. Practice 3. Your clothes.
Now describe what you're wearing.
What are you wearing today?
What color is your shirt?
What color are your shoes?
Are you wearing jeans or pants?
Great work.
Excellent job today.
You learned so many clothing words.
Upper body, shirt, t-shirt, jacket, sweater, dress.
Lower body, pants, jeans, skirt.
Feet, shoes, socks.
Accessories, hat, scarf, gloves.
And you learned I'm wearing and what are you wearing?
Practice every morning. Describe your clothes.
In the next episode, we're learning about the body.
Head, arms, legs, and more.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Comment. Tell us, what are you wearing right now?
See you next time.
Keep learning English.
Bye.
Goodbye.